So if you want to go ahead and make something circular, then you can actually go ahead and use the circle tool in order to create shapes. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see that I have this particular tool right here. So you see the rectangle tool, and if I were to go ahead and expand this, you can see circle right here. So now you see the circle tool, and if I were to click and release and click, you can see that I got a circle right here, just like this. If I were to go ahead and use the arrow keys, I can go ahead and draw in another angle right here. Go ahead and use arrow keys right here, and then you can choose the angle that you want to draw, and you can draw it out accordingly right here, just like this, as you can see right there, just like that. But let's say, for example, I want to make an ellipse instead of a circle. So in that case, you can go ahead and click and drag out a circle right here, just like this. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and utilize the scale tool right here. So you can see that I got this particular tool right here. Let me just go ahead and select this, and then you can go ahead and pull this out, and you can see that this turns into an ellipse right here as I utilize the scale tool right here. And that is how you can utilize the circle tool in order to create a circle or an elliptical shape inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.